Okay.
Welcome to Over the Counter Crypto. And then we never fixed the intro that what we were supposed to say. So I guess we are the hosts.
Yeah.
Lalo and Eric. We're the hosts.
What's going on, guys?
Alright. So starting off with the fear and greed index. We are fearful. We're at 38. Are you streaming what I'm showing?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. So now is the time to buy. We're fearful. Now is the time to start accumulating. Might not be the best time, but it's a good time to start buying. Because, yeah, we're fearful. Yesterday we were fearful. And last week we were neutral. For the Bitcoin halving clock, you guys have 240 days, 8 hours, 19 minutes, and 45 seconds to buy some Bitcoin. Alright, so you remember my prediction that we were gonna drop to this point to like 25 within like 2 months?
Hmm?
Do you remember that prediction that I had?
That was. I don't know. I asked you if it was gonna go down below 9. That's what I remember.
Oh, below. No, I said that usually when we go 5 points up, we usually go 3 points down. So it was
that.
so
Yeah.
my prediction was 1, 2, 3, and I was gonna stop at this green line right here. And I said that it was gonna take, because we were like up here in this yellow line, and I predicted that if we drop below this yellow line, that it was gonna take about, this one says 130 days to reach this green line, and
which is where we're at right now.
yeah, we're almost there.
So, you said how many? 300 days? How much?
Like 130. It was
130.
It was like between 77 days and 130 days, around there. It was supposed to be like around, when was it? So September's gonna be a bad month. I'm still predicting September's gonna be a really bad month. So if we manage to crash below this green line, this yellow line and this green line, we're going to drop massively. So I had this one that's a little bit clearer. So the next level that we could see is at 22,000. And then the next level is going to be at 21. And then at 19.
Dang. It's gonna go
So let me see.
below again, 20,000.
So let me see the Fibonacci.
Wow.
So yeah. So around 20 is going to be a good level, because back in 2017 we made it to, was it, yeah, 2017 we made it to like 20,000. So this was the level that we reached before it crashed, right here. Let me color it let me color it green.
A lot of people on Twitter, I think they were saying specifically you weren't gonna see it below 20 ever again. Like you wouldn't see what we're seeing right now.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard, because back in 2017,
right,
we made it before we crashed for like 2 years.
Damn.
Yeah, so we made it an all-time high back in 2017, and then we crashed, and we broke out of it back in 2020. December of 2020 is when we broke it, and then we went way up here, and then we crashed again back in 2022. So but this level is a good level. And then on top of that, we have the Fibonacci at around 21,000. So pretty much the 21,000 and the 20,000 level is a very good level for us to sustain. But if we break those levels, it's gonna be a bloodbath. If we do manage to break those levels.
And just a reminder, right? Is this right? What I'm about to say, is this right, Eric? That every time that Bitcoin lowers in price, it does affect the altcoins and the coins that are below it?
Yes.
So the prices will go down for other coins as like really
It's
bad.
even worse for altcoins. Yes.
Damn.
Bitcoin crashes, altcoins do worse. They crash more. Same thing the opposite way. If Bitcoin goes up, altcoins make more money. So that's how that works. So if you want to analyze altcoins, you need to analyze Bitcoin first to see what Bitcoin is doing, and then you go from there. You go analyze the altcoin, whatever altcoin you guys are into.
Okay, so if it does go down to 19, I guess it is a good time to check on other projects that you might want to invest in, and then maybe you put some money in because the prices are gonna be really low if it does reach below
yeah.
20,000. So
Oh yeah,
that should be a good time for when it happens.
yeah. So yeah, so in summary, right now we're going through this channel right now between 25 and 29. We're in this channel. It's gonna be a hard channel to break, but if we manage to break below 25, the next level is going to be between 25 and 19. So it's gonna be this right here. It's gonna be the next traffic zone. And then if we manage to break that, then the next one is gonna be 15k Bitcoin is the next one.
See what happens in crypto Twitter and in like just around all the crypto content creators if it does hit 15, and just like how much chaos it would cause, just to see like
Oh yeah.
all the reactions.
Well, there's a lot of people saying that Bitcoin is dead already, and like the sentiment is really low. So I'm kind of excited if it does drop to 15. I'm hoping it does, so I could buy more. So, all right. So let's go to the news then. So we got Robert Kiyosaki. I really don't like his advice, but he's saying that we should buy silver before it's gone.
I mean, does he at least have a good a good reason for it? I mean, because we've discussed it in this channel before, where like it's bad, like 50 years bad, and it doesn't look like it's gonna get any better. That you're better off buying gold. So does he at least have a good reason for not buying silver?
Man, this silver chart is really shitty.
It's super bad.
Like, I guess if we manage to break this yellow line for silver, then I would say yes. Let's start buying silver. The potential is there. If we manage to break this yellow line, and which right now would be at this level, it would be 25. If we manage 26, if we manage to break the 26 level, but better yet, if we manage to break the what is this, 30, if we could see a $30 silver, then yes, we we could see. Let me see the potential for this. Potential for silver price would be from here to here. It would be a pretty much almost $100 silver.
That's pretty good. Considering from 20, that's like $80 per however much you buy, I guess. $80? That's an $80 increase.
So it's, yeah, $80 increase. So it will be a 5x. It will be close to a 5x, 4 or 5x with silver. So his reasoning is that a lot of industries are using silver for like computers and stuff like that. So it's becoming a rare metal. So yeah, urges to buy silver before it's gone. Have you ever seen the movie The Big Short?
No.
Do you know what it's about? Yeah, do you know what
like
it's
it's about investments or crypto related? I've never.
No, it's not. It's not crypto related. So pretty much, it was back in was it 2007 when the housing market crashed. Like the banks were giving out loans like crazy to people that didn't qualify, and like my mother was a victim of this because the That's how we got the house in Florida when the whole collapse happened and we lost the house in Florida. So this guy knew about that whole housing thing that was going on. So he shorted the housing market and he became really famous. He became so famous for this big bet that he made that they made a movie about it called The Big Short.
For real?
Yeah.
mean,
I
think I've
recommend
heard
you watch it.
Okay. I think I've heard about the guy, but I didn't know they actually made like an entire movie.
Yeah, it's called The Big Short. So right now he's saying, so his name is Michael Burry. And now he has a 1.6 billion bet that the market's going to collapse.
$1 billion?
Yes, $1.6 billion. He's betting that the market is going to collapse. So this is one of the reasons why the market has dropped, because there's a lot of people that believe in this guy. So they're following everything he does, right? Because he had I guess that track record with the housing market,
Right.
where he made a big bet. So I believe this is one of the reasons why Bitcoin and all the altcoins dropped as well, because they follow the stock market, as for now at least, not all the time. Yeah, this is this guy. Yeah, Michael Burry bets 1.6 billion against market. Big short investor takes bearish stance on the S&P 500 and Nasdaq. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see if he's right. But you should check out that movie, The Big Short, because like I said, my mother was victim of that whole scheme with the housing. And then here's another what do you call it? Another reason I believe that Bitcoin dropped. They're saying that Elon Musk SpaceX, it sold Bitcoin.
Oh, what?
Yeah, so writes down. Yeah, supposedly they had $373 million worth of Bitcoin.
Oh, wow.
And they're saying that they probably sold. I don't think it's confirmed yet.
Okay, so they're probably just selling before it lowers even, like before the price lowers even.
Yeah, so SpaceX wrote down the value of Bitcoin it's owned by a total of 373 million last year, and in 2021 it has sold the cryptocurrency. Tesla has taken a similar approach with the Bitcoin holdings. So yeah, so I guess between Tesla and SpaceX, they're selling Bitcoin, or they're saying. I don't think it's confirmed yet. But I think this is one of the reasons why Bitcoin dropped in the first. Where is it? Actually, this was easier to see. Come on. So this one, I think Tesla sold here and people got scared, and that's why we dropped all the way down here. So they're saying that because of that news between Michael Burry and Elon Musk, that's why we dropped from up here all the way down here.
That is a big difference, yeah.
So we got that, and then we got this guy from Altcoin Daily. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear this. Can you hear this?
No.
Damn. Alright, so we're gonna have to skip this one then. I guess they're gonna do rate hikes again. So it's gonna be bad for people investment, and so this is another reason why the market is down. But I can't play it because I'm not doing it on my end.
You can send it.
That's alright. I'll just post it in the description below. And then we have another one. This one, China facing deflation may be bad news for Bitcoin. So here's another. We just got like think that it's just stacking up and reasons why the whole market is crashing. But what's crazy is that we predicted that it was gonna crash before all of this happened. So yeah, so China facing deflation may be bad news for Bitcoin. So I found another article that explains it better because I didn't really like this. It was this one. It says, why is deflation a problem? China produces a large portion of goods sold around the world. A potential positive impact of an extended period of deflation in the country may be that it helps to curb rising prices in other parts of the world, including the UK. However, if cut price China goods flood global markets, it could have a negative impact on manufacturers in other countries. This could hit investments by businesses and squeeze employment. A period of falling prices in China could also hit company profits and consumer spending. This may then lead to higher unemployment. It could result in a fall in demand from the country, the world's largest marketplace for energy, raw materials, foods, which would hit the global market. So we got that, and they also have a big problem on the housing market, like what we had back in 2007, 2008. They're having it now with Evergrande, I believe it is. So they're just they're over leveraged and everything's collapsing over there with the housing market, and then they have this deflation problem as well.
I don't know why, but just like a little side note, I was seeing as well that like there's just a bunch of things falling apart, like because they weren't built well. So
Yeah. So this is another reason why Bitcoin has dropped massively.
Well, yeah, now that it got unbanned, right? It got unbanned from China, so there's a lot of people in China that can buy Bitcoin or can invest in it. So you will see a big difference if those people sell it.
And then I got the stuff that you sent me here on Twitter. Binance Files court order against the U.S. SEC. So that's good. They're fighting this the SEC.
Yeah, they should as much as they can. Those people were so shady when they were like, "Oh, you gotta stop all the you can't sell nothing, you can't trade anything except for Bitcoin," and which the government holds.
There's something shady going on with it.
Yeah, I was like, that's nah.
That's shady. Yeah, I'm glad they're fighting it. So we got that. I guess there's something really cool going on with Argentina with the whole presidential election. Candidate Javier Milei wins primary presidential election in Argentina. So he's trying to what do you call it?
I guess
trying to make Bitcoin legal tender, I believe. Like this guy.
Oh, so he's trying to do it like in like the president from El Salvador or Guatemala?
Salvador.
El Salvador, okay. So he implements.
Yeah, he's a pro Bitcoin candidate because right now their currency is really shitty.
Really bad.
Yeah, let me see. Has won the primary presidential election. Indeed, voters shocked the globe with the announcement that the Libertarian candidate had emerged victorious. Yeah, he had a speech talking about Bitcoin. He actually said that the central bank, like their money was a scam, and he wanted to put Bitcoin, which was an interesting talk there. But it's in Spanish though. Did you see it?
No.
No. I'll tag you in it, but it's in Spanish. Yeah, but I like that he was saying that the central bank was a scam. I liked it. What else is there? How much time have we been in? Okay, we got 4 minutes. Okay, it's more stuff with the BRICS. Morocco officially summits up. So we got another country joining. And they're trying to do a different currency to beat the dollar.
Yeah, and that is another African country.
What is this about? Dude, this is so scary. The what is it? The World Economic Forum?
Yeah. Roman Safari
What
start
this guy is
blocking.
doing is it's scary, dude. He's trying to do he's trying to make sure everybody doesn't have ownership of anything. He's saying, he's even giving out the speech that what was his speech? Like, you will own nothing and you will be happy.
It is
It's
scary because most people are not even gonna notice. They're gonna like be distracted by something else, and they're not gonna notice what's gonna happen to them if it's true.
Yeah.
If this comes to be true.
Yeah, it's scary, dude. What this guy's trying to do, it's really scary. Former president, what? So Trump holds 2.8 million Ethereum up. I thought he owned more. Because he talked a lot of shit about crypto, and now it turns out that he has Ethereum. It's like come on, man.
Well, I mean, I think everything started when he started doing
What?
the NFTs. Oh, everything. I think he started liking crypto. Maybe
You're
when
cutting off. I don't know if it's my end or your end.
Am I? I'm.
You're
Oh, you
you're
froze.
glitching. I think. Did I freeze? Yeah,
No,
I
you're
think
back.
it's my internet.
No, you're back.
I
You're
think
back.
it's my internet.
You're back. No, but I think he's starting. He started to like crypto when he did the NFTs. Remember, he did the NFTs and they sold out like immediately.
Yeah, and he's getting royalties too.
Yeah. So maybe now he.
You know
got
what's crazy? What's crazy is that OpenSea is the website where you get royalties. That's where like a lot of people do their art. They sell their art and then they get the royalties. So apparently OpenSea is doing some shady shit. I found this out from Altcoin Daily. He's saying OpenSea is done. This guy's asking what happened, and he's saying they removed creator royalty fees. So I haven't really done a lot of digging, but I just happened to see this. This happened 2 days ago with the royalties and stuff like that for OpenSea. So we got this one. U.S. SEC officially acknowledges XRP is not a security in the new court filing. So yeah, I hate XRP, but I'm glad that they're winning against the SEC because it's a crypto project fighting against the SEC. So I'm glad that they're winning against them,
Right.
but I don't like them. I don't like them, but I'm glad they're winning. And then this one, I was actually thinking of supporting Ukraine with the NFTs because they were selling NFT art to
Right.
help support Ukraine.
Mhm.
And apparently all this is a scam. So I'm glad I didn't. Yeah, Ukrainian officials caught in crypto aid support. So I guess Ukraine is one of the most corrupt countries. Is that right? I'm ignorant when it comes to this.
What, like Ukrainian being corrupt? Dude, I don't even.
Yeah, like the government. I don't know either, but I've been seeing a lot of things like, oh, they're one of the most corrupt countries. I don't know if it's true or not.
With all the stuff going on with Biden and their top officials.
Yeah.
I don't even. I'm not too invested in that either, so I don't want to say nothing that is false information.
Here's like some sarcasm. Ukrainian corruption? No.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, that's all I have for today. Let's check the portfolios. And I'm not logged in.
No. It's good. I mean, we hit the 24-minute mark anyway.
Yeah. So, all right. Well, know that it's down. Our portfolio is down. So yeah, that's all I got.
All right, y'all. Have a good night and see you next week, man.
See ya.